Yesterday, someone commented on my video with a story that perfectly proves everything we've been talking about.
He said, I drove my 2007 Hemi to 320,000 miles, sold it running like new, then did it again with a 2019. And before that, a 1999 Ram. Same result. 3 different Hemis, 3 different decades, zero engine problems. Today, I'm revealing the one thing he did differently that most Ram owners miss, and why his secret works even better than Ram's own maintenance schedule. Most Hemi owners follow the manual. 10,000-mile oil changes. Whatever oil the quick lube shop uses. Hope for the best. Result? Engine problems at 80,000 to 150,000 miles. Lifter failures. Cam damage. $8,500 repairs. But this owner? He ignored Ram's manual and did something completely different. And it worked. 3 times. Across 20-plus years. Here's exactly what he did. His secret wasn't complicated. He used AMSOIL Signature Series synthetic oil in all 3 trucks. Not Pennzoil, not Mobil 1, not Royal Purple. AMSOIL. Why does this matter? AMSOIL Signature Series is specifically engineered for extended drain intervals and severe service. It has 25% more anti-wear additives than other synthetics, superior high-temperature stability, extended drain capability up to 15,000 miles. But here's the key. He didn't choose AMSOIL to go longer between changes. He chose it to have maximum protection at normal intervals. While AMSOIL is rated for 15,000 miles, he changed it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Think about that. Using an oil designed for 15,000 miles, but changing it at 5,000 to 7,500. That's like bringing a bulletproof vest to a pillow fight. Overkill? Maybe. But his engine hit 320,000 miles without ticking. 1999 Ram 1500. AMSOIL every 5,000 2007 Ram 1500. AMSOIL every 5,000 to 7,500 2019 Ram 1500. Same routine. 3 different engines. 3 decades. Same oil. Same intervals. Same result. Zero problems. The Hemi's MDS system creates rapid oil pressure fluctuations. Most oils break down under this stress by 7,500 miles. AMSOIL, still performing like new at 7,500 miles. So changing it there gives you maximum anti-wear protection, zero sludge buildup lifters that never fail, cam lobes that stay pristine. AMSOIL Signature Series, $65 for 5 quarts, changes every 6 months, cost per year, $130. Ram's Way, cheap oil, 10,000 miles. Engine failure at 120,000 miles, cost $8,500. Engine rebuild his way. Premium oil, 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Engine runs 320,000 miles, cost $130 per year times 15 years equals $1,950 savings. $6,550 plus a truck that actually runs. 3 trucks, 3 generations of Hemi. One simple strategy. You don't have to use AMSOIL specifically. Mobil 1, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, Royal Purple, they all work. But the lesson is clear. Premium synthetic plus frequent changes equals engines that outlast the truck. Now here's my question. Are you using premium synthetic? What brand? What intervals? Drop your routine in the comments. Let's see who else is doing it right. And if you're still using conventional oil or following the 10,000-mile schedule, it's not too late. Switch today. Your Hemi will thank you at 300,000 miles. Subscribe for more Ram secrets. Your truck deserves better.